beautiful November day, unusually warm, and so I thought I'd open up the windows and try and bring some of the warm air into my house because it's actually warmer outside than it is inside. So I'm upstairs in what's my bedroom, and behind me is the garden, the lower garden, and some fall leaves. The trees are unusually green for this time of year. I was talking to someone today about that. She's a gardener, and had a really nice November 11th Armistice Day celebration starting at 9:30 this morning with a mass at the medieval St. Nicholas Church. And then everyone paraded down to the corner of my street where there's a war memorial. And there was a little ceremony there, and the band played, and the kids sang and laid flowers. And then we all paraded down to the center of town past City Hall to another war memorial. More band, more kids singing, more flowers being presented. Just really nice short ceremonies with some nice things said about wars past and present, and remembering our soldiers and the sons of France who had died. And then after that, had a free glass of wine at the City Hall, courtesy of the mayor. And then I went with one of my new friends, another neighbor that I've met. I went with him to his house, and his wife had made lunch for us and one other friend of theirs, and enjoyed a really nice afternoon conversation and a tour of their house and their garden, and just a really nice afternoon. And when we were walking to their house, we passed by the antique shop where I just recently spent a couple of hours visiting with Monsieur Jacques and buying a bunch of furniture from him. And he and a couple of the neighbors to the antique shop were standing out on the street drinking wine. And so now I've been inaugurated into the Rue Saint-Nicolas group. And if I get too cold in the winter, I was invited to come and stay in their guest room. I can't believe just how welcoming everyone has been. It's been such an amazing experience. Where I used to live, I only got to know a couple of the people in my condo development because we were on the board together for the HOA. And so to have people reaching out to me out of the blue or offering to introduce me to people, it's just been an amazing experience. I feel really welcome here, and I feel like I'm still really, struggling with my French, but I get lots of compliments on how good my French is. So I guess it's not that bad, but I'm still working on it. Still want to make some more effort in my own time to improve it, besides just working on people by talking to them. Feel bad. Don't always get to express myself fully without full command of the language. So that's a real motivator, because it's important to me to feel like I'm contributing to the conversation. So yeah, just a really great day, and enjoying this view out my window, and looking at the window itself and the work that the window itself needs. But that'll be next year. This year, working on heat, electric installation, decorative wallpaper fireplaces, getting them working, putting in a kitchen, a lot of infrastructure stuff. The windows are also very important, especially for heat preservation, but I'll be working with an architect on that come summer. So anyway, this is just a Chateau minute about life in Châtillon-sur-Seine, and I'm really happy.